Hi everyone, my name is Kaan Yola, and today I'm gonna introduce our machine learning project. This is a fake news detection with machine learning algorithms project. So in our group, there's Nur Tuba Demirel, Burcu Kahraman, and I, Kaan Yola. Uh, I will try to introduce our project. Today, with the advancing information technologies, it has become very easy to produce, collect, transmit, and use information. There are many sources for accessing information. It is easy to access information, and it is also easy to spread information. With the development of information technologies, it has become easier to transfer correct and useful information. So, for people, this situation useful information as well as to transfer false and misleading information for people. This situation gains importance depending on the content, seriousness, and subject of the dissemination information. Fake news is seen as a threat to people. Fake news may emerge for purposes such as influencing people in line with their interest, and making propaganda, disrupting public order, damaging reputation, creating perception, advertising, and harm. In order to reduce or eliminate the bad effects of all these purposes, the issue of detecting fake news has gained importance. It is aimed to detect fake news by using machine learning algorithms. Uh, I will talk about our experiments. We started our project by trying to passive aggressive algorithm first, as you see in my screen. After importing the libraries, we transferred all the one dataset. You can see train CSV dataset or the dataset as a data frame. We used our dataset as a data frame. Then we created the TF-IDF technique here. We have started TF-IDF vectorizer and performed the filter operations. Next, we launched a passive-aggressive classifier. You can see right there. After doing our algorithm, we predicted the test set from TF-ID vectorizer, and the accuracy value we obtained in the model we implemented was 96.45. You can see no error has been encountered. Secondly, we implement the naive algorithm. Data cleaning is required for the implementation of this algorithm. After the dataset is imported into this project of this algorithm, punctuation marks, I'm here, yes, punctuation marks have been removed in order to reduce complexity in the text and to act within the framework. Additionally, all letters in the content have been changed to lowercase. Thus, all the text was written in the same format. Since empty values in the dataset will cause errors in the next stages, rows containing spaces have been removed from the dataset. And I'm sorry. First, for the algorithm after function that separates all the words in our dataset one by one, we assign them to a data frame and combine it with the original data frame. Thus, a data frame containing about 160,000 columns was obtained. Then we wanted to create a probability calculation based on the neighbors algorithm logic. For this, we wanted to divide the fake and real text into two. However, we encountered a problem at this stage since some data types in the dataset are pandas.course.series. I should show here. You can see. some data like that, and some data is integer 64. An error was encountered by performing mathematical operations during public probability calculation. Uh, we use try and except blocks for this. Then we can count and third another error due to the size of our dataset. The runtime of this phase took much longer than the expected runtime. At this stage, we went to the dataset shrinking method as a solution to the errors we received. In our first trial, we ran 50 pieces of data and got 26 accuracy. Due to the low result, we aim to increase our accuracy value by changing the number of data. The maximum number of data that we can use in working condition within the project is 100. We were able to increase the accuracy value we obtained with 100 pieces of data from 60, I'm sorry, 26 to 52. Here you can see our accuracy value is 52. And lastly, we tried the naive Bayes algorithm by using ready-made functions for comparison. We did not encounter any errors and achieved an accuracy value 90, like that. You can see 90 percentage like that. I could show our report to show the graphics. The measurement values of the algorithm we tried it in the scope of the project here, like that. Our accuracy, F1 score, recall, and precisions. And there we have algorithm comparison. I'm sorry. So as a conclusion, consequently, as a result of the values we obtained from two different algorithms we tried when we act on the basis of the passive-aggressive algorithm, it is determined in a short time whether the news in a medium-sized dataset is fake or real and gives the most accurate results. Uh, that's all I can say. Thank you for listening to me. This project was for us was a good experiment for us, and we learned a lot of things from this project. Thank you for all.